Welcome to my channel, and today I'll be making Jamaican boneless stew pork hock, so let's get started. I went ahead and deboned the pork hock and cut into stew-sized pieces. I went ahead and washed it with lime and vinegar and then pat dry to get it ready for seasoning. You can go ahead and add whatever season you like at this point, but for myself, I added some Cool Runnings all-purpose season, some Maggi all-purpose, some Jamaican season to the bone, white pepper, paprika, a bit of black pepper, and crushed pimento. And I've also added a bit of browning, but you don't need to add too much browning because too much browning will make the food a bit bitter. So just take your time with the browning, and you can add the browning maybe later in the cooking process. Once that was done, I chopped up some fresh garlic, green onions, Jamaican thyme, onions, bell pepper, and Scotch bonnet pepper. Then mix everything together and then allow it to marinate overnight. So I went and added oil to the pan, and I'm going to allow that to heat up. Once it's heated, I'm going to add the pork hock without the fresh seasonings and allow it to brown. This step will help to develop a rich flavor before slow cooking the pork hock. Once I've added the pork hock to the pan, I went ahead and gave it a bit of stir to coat the pieces evenly, and then I will go ahead and cover the pan and allow it to brown for a few minutes, which will allow the flavors to then develop. After a few minutes, I'm going to go ahead and give the pork hock another stir. The goal is to get a nice rich color, so we want to ensure that the meat is browned evenly. Once the pork is browned to your desired color, go ahead and add the fresh seasonings. Give it a stir and let it cook until everything becomes fragrant. This will bring out the rich flavors of the garlic, the thyme, and the Scotch bonnet. Once that was done, I went ahead and added hot water to speed up the cooking process, as well as ginger. As the meat simmers, you may need to add more water depending on how tender the pork hock is. In my case, I did add some additional water off camera, and then I allow it to cook until it was nice and tender. Once it's done, it should look like this. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, so thank you for watching this video. Go ahead and give this video a like and a share, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye!